Okay, in this question, you are told each of A1, A2, and AN is relatively prime with each of B1, B2 up to Bm. That means AI and Bj are relatively prime for Ij, and here I is from 1 to n, right? And of course J is from 1 to m. And you should prove that the product of A1 times A2 up to AN is relatively prime with the product B1, B2 up to Bm. And this proof can be done by contradiction. Firstly, we should assume the greatest common divisor of these two products, A1 times A2 up to AN, and B1 times B2 up to Bm. The greatest common divisor of these two numbers is equal to D, and D is greater than 1. Okay, this is our assumption. And since D is greater than 1, therefore D must have a prime divisor. Okay, and so we assume, we let P be a prime divisor of D. That means P divides D. P is a prime number, divides D. And since P divides D, and D, here, right, D divides the product of the A's. And so we have P also divides this product, A1, A2 up to AN. And since D is also a common divisor, right, is the divisor of B1, B2 up to Bm. And so P, this prime divisor of D, also divides the product B1, B2 up to Bm. And since P is a prime number, so we have P divides at least one of the A's. Okay, so we can assume P divides AI for some I. And of course I is from 1 to n. And similarly, right, similarly, we have P divides Bj for some j from 1 to m. Therefore, the greatest common divisor of AI and Bj must be greater than or equal to the prime factor, their common prime factor, P. And P, because P is a prime number, of course P is greater than 1. That means AI, the greatest common divisor of AI and Bj is greater than 1. It's not equal to 1. Okay? And therefore, the given condition in the question is not satisfied. Okay? So this is, therefore, this is a contradiction to the given condition in the question. And therefore, our assumption is wrong. What is our assumption? This is, right? We assume the greatest common divisor of these two numbers is greater than 1. This is wrong. So, the greatest common divisor of these two products, A1, A2 up to AN, and B1, B2 up to Bm, must be equal to 1. They are relatively prime. Bye bye.